I'm joined now by Ben Lamm, the founder and CEO of Colossal Biosciences. And this is one I've been personally very excited about because of all of their major advancements in the biotech space. But you don't need to hear it from me because we've got the man himself to take us through it. Ben, thank you so much for joining us on
Yeah,
Today today.
thanks so much for having me.
Now, for everyone that doesn't know what you guys do, can you give us a little bit of an insight into Colossal and what you're doing here at the summit?
Yeah, so Colossal is the world's first de-extinction and species preservation company. We're most notably working on the woolly mammoth, the Tasmanian tiger, the dodo, so all of our de-extinction projects that get kids and parents really excited. We're also doing a lot on species preservation and applying all these technologies to modern conservation. And one of the things that we're announcing and launching here at the World Government Summit is our first BioVault, which is the first in the world. No one else has ever done anything like it. It's the equivalent of like the seed vault, only for animals. And we're doing it with the Dubai Future Foundation, and we're actually going to place it in the Museum of the Future.
Can you tell me a little bit about the advancements in science that has allowed such a concept to be born?
Right now, we're working on things like cryopreservation, reanimation, so we can be able to freeze down cells, bring them back up. It's different for different types of cells and tissue types. We're also now have the ability to do full genome sequencing, kind of like 23andMe, just much further for every type of species, right? So we're able to understand the genetic code and back it up on the servers in the cloud, which is incredible. We're also working on saying, okay, how do we create immortalization cell lines? Meaning like, how do we keep these cells alive? Not just freeze them down, not just take their genetic code, but keep them alive and keep them growing so that we can always ensure that we have healthy living cells that, God forbid something happens to, you could always bring them back using cloning. And so it really isn't just a freezer, if you will, it's a living laboratory. And all of these technologies, including artificial intelligence, cryopreservation, and robotics, are really enabling this.
And final question for you, at the World Government Summit, what's been your highlight so far?
Well, I mean, selfishly, I'm going to tell you, at the World Government Summit, the Colossal Museum of the Future BioVault's been my personal highlight. But then also just meeting so many incredible world leaders have come up to me after my talk with Jeffrey Katzenberg and after seeing the experience, saying, we have this really important species to our culture. We have this really important biodiversity that we're losing. We're losing at a rate much faster than ever was modeled by our scientists. And so how can we work? So we've actually had so many incredible conversations of government officials leaning in and really wanting to protect what's sacred and special about their country.